Hi there, this is Katie with Sola Wood Flowers. Today we are going to be making a beautiful rustic style centerpiece. This can be used as home decor or decorations at your wedding, on your head table for a beautiful floral arrangement. We are going to start with a few different types of preserved and dried fillers. We have a rustic themed centerpiece box that we are going to add our floral foam into. You want to make sure that it fits nice and snug in there, and you can trim it down if you need. Ours fit pretty nicely, so we're just going to push it in there and make sure it's nice and snug. Now we're going to go ahead and start adding our filler. We have a couple different kinds of eucalyptus that we're going to start adding in. Trim it down to whatever length you would like, and then just go ahead and insert it into that floral foam. We are kind of just mixing ours up here with the different leaves, the different colors, just to kind of give the arrangement some more texture and a little bit of variety. Now we're going to start by adding some of our stemmed Sola wood flowers. We have some raw flowers and then some dyed a couple different other colors. You can dye your flowers whatever colors you would like to match whatever aesthetic you're going for. As you can see, we're putting flowers just kind of on all sides of our centerpiece. We have some coming out the top, some going out each of the sides. If you need to, you can always pull your flowers out, rearrange them, adjust them a little bit, just whatever works for you. Now that we have the majority of our flowers in here, we're going to fill in all of these gaps with our different types of filler. The filler that we're using, they have pretty stout stems, so we are able to easily just stick them right into the foam. Some fillers are a little bit different. You may need to add some tape and a wire stem or a bamboo stem onto them and just kind of tape the filler and make it a little floral or a filler pick versus just sticking it right in. But that will just depend on the filler types that you're using. We are just going to continue adding our filler until all of our gaps are filled in and our box and our arrangement are looking nice and full. We really just want to make sure that we are not able to see that floral foam, and then your arrangement is ready to go. You can use this for weddings, home decor, whatever you would like. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial today, and happy crafting!